Hello everyone! Today's episode is going to be about building a lamp. Bit of a diversion from what I usually do on this channel, but you know, who cares? Gotta make that content. That sweet content. But I will try to keep this part where I'm talking nice and snappy, because if my YouTube analytics show me anything, it's that people don't like it when I talk. So, we're going to be making kind of like a modern, kind of Japanese-y feeling lamp. Out of these little wooden Kiva blocks that I found in my basement, and some 2x2. Alright, so the lamp is mostly assembled, but I need a way to mount the light socket. And to do that, I just grab a piece of acrylic and drill a hole in it. And it's acrylic just so that the light can reach all the way to the bottom of the lamp, because wood or something would